guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I am all into decorating and organizing my space. So I recently got these bins, these baskets. I love them. So here it's all meant where the handle is, and this one is shaped more of like a rectangle. So when it came to me, it was too much flat, and it slowly opens up more with time. I use this bin specifically for my kids and all their little fidget toys. Here are the items up close. They are soft, they are durable, and they don't have any weird smells to them. I love it. I love how perfectly these fit into my closet. It's a perfect fit. I love the simplicity of the design. I think it is great. It can literally go with anything, and I love that. I chose the gray scheme for these, and I just really think it's a great basket. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.